Hello everybody, I'm standing here with Paul and Kaspers and we have just been in Germany this weekend and it has been really amazing. God is really doing something new. The Bible is talking about being faithful in the small things. The Bible is also talking about when we go through persecution, it's actually a good thing because in that we die and we are weak, and when we are weak, Jesus is strong. And this is really what we see, because all of us have experienced a life where we have been faithful to things and we have grown and we have learned and we are going through things. And now we just start to see the breakthrough. Paul, what did you experience on new things this weekend?
For me, it was more about just being able to do things, just step there and see the Holy Spirit work. Before, I've always been afraid that I need to have someone else with a lot more experience to show me how to deliver someone or how to baptize someone. This weekend I got to teach many of the new students how to baptize, how to deliver, and I just stood there, felt such a peace from God and such a peace from the Holy Spirit that it was really just the Holy Spirit working through me, just to see people delivered very quickly with, no effort on my part whatsoever. It was just fantastic.
I know you have been on the Pioneer Training School before. When was that?
That was April, May time.
Yeah, and now he's here as a teacher and helping teaching and train. And I know one of the strong experiences you have, it was a girl with a crack. You heard the crack. What happened? What happened there?
I'd prayed for one girl a number of times. The pain would go down, but it would never go away. And on the last day, she came to me with some deep emotional pain from the past that she wanted to bring to God. And as we prayed for her, she began to her back began to bend, and she really looked bent out of shape. And then at one point, there was just this huge crack. And then she coughed and she opened her eyes and I said, "Can you just test your back?" And the back pain was completely gone. The next day it hadn't come back. So God really just did something in that moment. It was crazy to see.
And you were not experienced like that before?
No, it was something completely brand new. Yeah.
And I like every time people say what I experience is something brand new, because this is how it should be, because we should grow. Kaspers has also been here a year ago on a training school, and now he's working with us here
Yeah, for me it was also a really strong weekend. Actually, when we went there on the way, I asked God, I want to experience something new, and we went there, and the baptisms were so strong. I never experienced so strong baptisms before. And after that, no, just before that, it was Friday. We went out to train the people how to heal the sick, and a guy came to me and he's like, "Hey, who you are, where you from?" And we explained, and he started to say how he found us. He said, "I was praying in the morning to God, and I asked God, I want to be a disciple. I read in the Bible and I want to learn this. Send me to some people who can teach me." So he was just wandering around city, and he noticed some people praying for people, and he came closer and closer to us, and he felt that God is pushing, go to them. And he came to us, we talked, and he told his story, and then we invited him to the meeting. He came there. For him it was amazing, and next day he got baptized, delivered, received Holy Spirit. And actually when we met him, we asked him, "Come with us, we'll show you how to heal the sick." And we met a lady with a wheelchair, and we prayed for her. She came out. She walked. She couldn't walk for a few years, so that was amazing. So, yeah, it really, God answered also my prayer. It was something new for me.
And love testimony, come on, a woman, he had heard the voice of the back crack. A woman got up a wheelchair after a few years, and a man was led by the Holy Spirit. And this is what God is doing. Me, it was incredible myself also. I saw the Holy Spirit work like I've never seen before. There was a time at the meeting where one by one just got delivered and the Holy Spirit just took over. And the last meeting, the open air, there came a woman with a crutch to me, and as soon as she came, she started to manifest and went crazy and fall down and shout, and the demons shout like, she's mine, she belongs to me, I don't let her go, she belongs to me. And there in middle of the street, in the middle of the area, open air, she got delivered, and as soon as that demon left her, she just walked out without crutches, and they went to her sea and baptized her afterwards. And that video is coming out later, but I just want to say God is doing something new.
Yeah, definitely.
And what we need to know is life. It's life, and we are, I think sometimes we are tested in our heart to see our obedience do we continue? Also, if there's times where we don't experience things, because we also all have times where it's a little hard.
Yep, definitely.
And where we feel like, oh, what is happening now? And we experience persecution, but when we are faithful, suddenly God, it explodes again and new level, new breakthrough.
It's good.
You love it?
Yeah,
I
come
love
to a PTS.
Yeah, see you there. So this is some of the teachers who are helping here. Our next PTS is starting in 1 week.
Yeah.
And they're going to be here and help teaching and training and so on. And I'm going to do the next kickstart here at Jesus Hotel. Bye-bye.
Bye.